I'm AshLeigh Curry, CEO of Peak Video LLC. So being a video producer, I knew that I should have great footage and I should put it together for a demo reel. What I did not know is how. I knew I had a collaboration of great projects that I had put together. I just knew that something was missing. And so when I came across this course that said, hey, here's how to take a good demo reel and make it a great demo reel, I knew that it was something really important that I needed to take advantage of because it was something very specific that I was missing. So my biggest aha moment in taking the course was the idea to tell a story. If you don't narrate that and take them on a journey with you, then you just have pretty shots in music. You don't have a tool that people can relate to without even thinking, right? So that really changed my mindset to really showcase the work that I do in such a way that positions me far and above my competition. I think a lot of times we invest in equipment, but a lot of times we overlook investing in ourselves. And that's the one thing that you can do that's going to set you apart.